Alright guys, your first look at the iPhone 16 in pink. This is the 16 Plus model, coming in at 6.7 inch size. It's just a little bit smaller than the 16 Pro Max, which come in at 6.9 inch. And yeah, we can expect all the latest and greatest on this device. I think really cool is that this year's iPhone 16 models are getting the action button as well as the camera control. I really wasn't expecting that. I thought it would be exclusive to the Pro models, but as you can see, Apple has done it. And look at this gorgeous pink finish. I think this will be, especially with our ladies here, a very popular device. And here's your first look at the iPhone 16 in black. A really nice matte finish here. Again, we have the new Fusion camera system here for spatial video, to capture spatial content. As you can see here, this a single little LED flash is now separate from the rest. We have our camera control button, again, the action button. But honestly, this finish is, I think, really popular with the gents here. A really nice matte finish, gorgeous. Next to it, with his little brother, 6.1 inch iPhone 16, both amazing. With the dynamic island, firstly introduced on the 14 Pro models, then coming to the iPhone 16 lineup, and now obviously also on the iPhone 17 ones. Check out this new blue finish, which actually is not called blue, but ultramarine. I couldn't believe it myself when I heard it, but yeah, this is actually a really nice deep blue finish. Gorgeous. Look at the camera layout. That gradient, and again we have our camera control, we have our caption button now also coming to the iPhone 16 models. This is the iPhone 16 Plus, 6.7 inch size. The bezels are similar to what we previously had, but yeah, this color is actually phenomenal. Really nice, the blue finish. We have USB-C as we've had on the iPhone 15 models as well. Really nice matte blue, ultramarine blue finish. And here, first look at the iPhone 16 Plus in the new teal finish. I have to say, I think this is my favorite one of all the 5 colors that we have after black, but this is actually a stunning color. Also the matte finish on the back, really nice. We have again our action button. We have our camera control right there. And yeah, what's really cool this year is that the cameras have been upgraded also for spatial video. We have 48 megapixel cameras as well as the new flash, upgraded microphones, studio quality mics, and increased charging speeds. But yeah, I mean, look at this finish. This is by far my most popular iPhone 16 color yet. And here your first look at the new white iPhone 16, the Plus model again. And yeah, this is more of a clean look, the more clean, simplistic finish, but actually really, really stunning, very minimalistic. And yeah, what's really cool now, Apple Intelligence, we have it on all the 16 models. If you long press, you get this awesome animation, really cool. Also, you can access Apple Intelligence when you unlock it. You just double tap the bottom, and just like that, Apple Intelligence or Siri is initiated. Really nice. Your first look at the iPhone 16 Plus in white.